match your colors? Can you match your colors?
This guy not supposed to go to bed or not?
There.
Yeah, he is.
You're not playing? How come?
Why?
Michael's playing.
Well, that's not nice.
Michael played before.
I love it. Whenever I turn this on, they always really have a good fight then.
Well, put the good fight on.
Okay.
Christopher, the...
Oh, now, wait a minute.
Well, that's not very nice.
For eternity, let's record a fit. Go ahead.
Christopher, can you sing your song?
No.
Mark will. Mark. Mark will sing it. Oh, I can't see you when you're that close.
Mark, come here. Sing.
Get down. Because Elaine wanted to know if you were wild, and this will be proof. Christopher, that's enough.
Mom, I want this to go to Wayne. Is Wayne watching it?
No, I turned it off.
Show Mama how
Move
you
your
can
head.
sing how to reach the danger zone.
Turn on.
You have messy pants.
Turn it on.
Yes, you do.
No.
You do too.
I want to.
Did you
Now can I have some always clean? Can I see them now? Can I see it?
You stink.
Give Grandpa